All right, I want to talk to you about one of the biggest things that was the improvement on the website, and we heard it loud and clear. We heard the complaints that people didn't like our checkout, and more than that, people weren't checking out, so they were voting with their wallet. So we went with the new Shopify, and one of the advantages of the Shopify supports so many different payment methods. Tell us about some of those.
Yeah, PayPal, Apple Pay, Shop Pay, Google Pay. I know all those are just easy. They save all your information, so it's easy checkout, faster checkout.
And we still have Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and Amex. But then we have another way of paying that I really love, and that is maybe you're a school, house of worship, corporate Fortune 500 corporation, or maybe you're just someone who's like shopping around for a bunch of stuff, trying to put a whole studio together, and you kind of trying to do it online, but you need a little more help. Well, we have a great feature now, and that is you can place an order where your payment terms is call for payment. Now, the Shopify system holds your complete order for you. But because we have the call for payment, let's say you're a school, we can get back to you with a quote and send you a formal quote. Or perhaps you want to put it on 2 or 3 credit cards. You know, maybe you got an Amex gift card for your birthday and a couple other things, you know. And obviously we can't take an Applebee's or a Chipotle gift card, but we can take an Amex or a Visa gift card. And you can use that towards your payment. But the other thing that I really love about it, and Oliver, you're the guy who told me about it, is what do you love about this so much?
This is my absolute favorite feature on the new site, is that we can create an invoice for the customer with all of the information. We don't need to take payment info right away. We send it to them via email. They get to verify all the info, and then they send back their payment in their email at their convenience.
Very cool. So to take that even better, you can be on the phone with us. We could shop with you. We can build your cart, or you can build your cart, and we can consult with you while you're building your cart. And this feature has been tremendous. We've gotten such great feedback from this, and it's amazing. Yeah, I guess it's because we have live people who are experts who use our products that we can offer this. And other companies who are much bigger than us in the e-com world really don't have that. You can just click the button, but it's because we have live people who are cool people too, Jamie, right?
Very cool.